Good morning, children. I am Adya Sharma, math teacher. This is my second online class for you. In previous class, I taught you squares. Today, I am going to teach you a square root. The square root of a number x is that number which when multiplied by itself gives x as the product. We denote the square root of number x by root x. This is the notation of a square root. Clearly, a square root of 9 equal to 3. A square root of 16 equal to 4. A square root of 25 equal to 5, etc. Method of finding a square root. The first method is prime factorization method. When a given number is a perfect square, we find its square root by the following steps. In step 1, resolve the given number into prime factors. In step 2, make the pairs of similar factors. In step 3, take the product of prime factors, choosing one factor out of every pair. For example, find the square root of 256. Solution. By prime factorization of 256 like this, we get 256 equal to 2 into 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 2, making pair of all factors. There are 4 pairs for. So a square root of 256 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, taking out one factor of every pair, equal to 16. Similarly, we can find the square root of any other perfect square number by prime factorization method. Method 2, the long division method. Follow following steps. In step 1, group the digits in pairs, starting with the digit in the unit place. Each pair and remaining digit, if any, is called a period. Step 2. Think of the largest number whose square is equal to or just less than the first period. Take this number as the divisor and also as the quotient. In step 3, subtract the product of the divisor and the quotient from the first period and bring down the next period to the right of the remainder. This becomes the new dividend. Step 4. Now the new divisor is obtained by taking 2 times the quotient and annexing with it a suitable digit which is also taken as the next digit of the quotient, chosen in such a way that the product of new divisor and this digit is equal to or just less than the new dividend. Steps 5. Repeat step 2, 3 and 4 till all the periods have been taken up. Now the quotient so obtained is the required square root of the given number. Now solve examples. Example 1. Evaluate a square root of 10,609. Solution. Making periods and using the long division method, we have. This is our number 10,609. In step 1, making pair from unit digits. It means right to left. This is first pair, second pair, and last one is left. These pairs are called also period. In last one digit also considered as period. So my first period is 1. Now think such a number whose square is either equal to 1 or less than 1. My suitable number is 1. 1 consider as a divisor, also a quotient. 1 1 ja 1. Now subtract 1 from 1. Now bring down 0.6. 0.6 is the new dividend. Now double the quotient and write here. And now select a new digit as divisor such that the new number form and the product of new digit is either less than 6 or equal to 6. My suitable digit is 0. The new number form 20 and 20 zeros are 0. 0 is also considered the next quotient. Now 0 plus 0 0 and 2, and bring down next period here. The new dividend form 609. Again selecting new digits such that the number formed here and the product of new digit is either equal to 609 and or less than 609. We see here the product of 203 3 are 609. Subtract 609 from 609, we get remainder 0. Thus, the quotient is 103. The required square root is a square root of 10,609 equal to 103. Now example 2. Find the cost of erecting a fence around a square field whose area is 9 hectares. If fencing costs rupees 35 per meter. Solution. We see here the given rate in per meter. So first of all, we have to convert hectares in meter square. So area of the square field equal to 2 into 10,000 meter square. We know that 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So equal to 90,000 meter square. Now length of each side of the field equal to under root area. It means under root 90,000 meter square equal to 300 meter. Now the perimeter of the field is equal to 4 into side equal to 4 into 300 meter equal to 1200 meter. So the cost of fencing equal to rupees 35 into 1200 equal to 42,000. Example 3. What list number must be subtracted from 7250 to get a perfect square? Also find the square root of this perfect square. Solution. Let us try to find the square root of 7250 by long division method. Thus, we get 85 as quotient and 25 as remainder. This shows that 85 square is less than 7250 by 25. So, the least number to be subtracted from 7250 is 25. Hence, required perfect square number equal to 7250 minus 25 equal to 7250, and a square root of 7225 equal to 85. Example 4. What least number must be added to make the sum a perfect square? Find this perfect square and its square root. Solution. We try to find the square root of 5607 by long division method. Like this, 74 as quotient, 131 as remainder. We observe that 74 square less than 5607 less than 75 square. Therefore, the required number to be added 75 square minus 5607 equal to 5625 minus 5607 equal to 18. Clearly, the required perfect square equal to 5625 and a square root of 5625 equal to 75. Example 5. Find the greatest number of 4 digits which is a perfect square. Greatest number of 4 digits equal to 9999 as we know. Let us try to find the square root of 9999 by long division method. Like this, we get 99 as quotient and 198 as remainder. This shows that 99 square is less than 9999 by 198. So the least number to be subtracted is 198. Hence, the required number is 9999 minus 198 equal to 9801. Example 6. Find the least number of 6 digits which is a perfect square. Find the square root of this number. Solution. The least number of 6 digits equal to 1 lakh, which is not a perfect square. Now we must find the least number, which when added to 1 lakh gives a perfect square. This perfect square is the required number. Now we find the square root of 1 lakh by the long division method like this. 316 as quotient and 144 as remainder. Clearly, 316 square less than 1 lakh less than 317 square. Therefore, the least number to be added equal to 317 square minus 1 lakh equal to 1 lakh 489 minus 1 lakh equal to 489. Hence the required number Hence, the required number equal to 1 lakh plus 489 equal to 1 lakh 489. Also, a square root of 1 lakh 489 equal to 317. This is our answer. This, this is your home assignment. All of you will do the home assignment. Question 1. Evaluate. First, a square root of 1444. Second, a square root of 6241. Third, a square root of 17,956. A square root of 92,416. Question 2. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 2509 to make it a perfect square. Question 3. Find the least number which must be added to 6203 to obtain a perfect square. Find this perfect square and its square root. Question 4. Find the least number of 4 digits which is a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. Question 5. Find the greatest number of 5 digits which is a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained.